Hello, today I show you how to configure OPC UA in Schneider PLC. I use Modica PLC M340. PLC software is EcoStruxure Control Expert. Let's start the program. I choose BMX P34 2020, okay. Okay, this one is IP address 127.0.0.1. Okay, and here we use this one. Then go to configure here. Notice channel. We choose TCP/IP as net 1. Okay. Then we can see here validate. Yeah, it's working. Close. It's confirm this one. Yeah. Variable start. Stop. Run. Okay, here we use link 1 is integer. Link 2 is the real. Okay, here we choose is speed, T, the temperature, real. Okay, so here we have to mark. In the future will be HMI. Then go to Tools, Project Setting, go to here, PLC, here should be data, dictionary, we should mark, HMI, we should mark, and here we should mark online change, okay. Then I write down one small project, small program, we test. You start, stop, run. Okay. Then we function block, we choose move. Copy. Okay, here 1. Oh, okay. Oh, we should write down this variable 1 is much better. Variable 2. Okay, in here variable 1 is speed. Okay, variable 2 temperature. Okay, so we can create monitor table. Okay, start, stop, okay, that's it. Save. OPC UA, that's the OPC UA. Okay, build. So here's okay, no error 0. Go to PLC, simulation, go to connect. Yeah, everything's okay. No, its PLC is working, it's online. Now we need the OPC UA software. It's OPC UA service software is Schneider. Okay, first we go to where? For this example, this one. We go to OPC UA service, expert configuration tools. Create a new one with test. Delete old one. Okay, here's test. We go to here, address, we choose here TCP IP, we choose 127.0.0.1. Okay, in here, okay, so in here device is using data is no communication break. Okay, we save. That's it. Oh, sorry, we still security here. We should keep here is allowed now. Okay, it's a bug. Is announced use token. It's allowed. Okay, should be this two is mark. We save. Okay. Then go to OPC service expert. Okay, we open EcoStruxure OPC UA service expert. We can see here network, device, all in here. Okay, everything's working. So we should copy this one. It's OPC UA address. Copy. Then we still use OPC UA expert software is the client. Okay. Yeah, we delete this one. Hold on, I will double click. Okay, so here is a lot of, okay, choose one, link here is none. Okay, yes, we connection, we trust, continue. In here you can see this service is died, is test. Look here, run, start, stop, speed, variable 2, temperature. We can see here is reading. So we go to PLC, go to animation table, modification. 1 is working. It's 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 45, 67. Okay, you can see here. It's true, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 45, 67. So that's me. It's communication OPC UA with the control expert is working very well. Okay, thank you very much.